Good morning, Mo. Chris Googoo from Ulnoweg.
My name is Mo Algermozi. I'm the CEO and president of Graphite Innovation Technologies.
Tell me a little bit about Graphite Innovation and Technologies.
Two of us engineers, material science engineers, came together and we were very interested in graphite and graphitic materials as in general. Based on our backgrounds, we put it into a paint. So we made a paint out of it, and this paint became a really superior paint, paint that gives a very smooth surface, as well as protects any structure from corrosion and marine growth.
Well, I run a enriched education program called Digital Magma at Ulnoweg. And for the past 2 years, we've been teaming up with the likes of Dalhousie, McGill, Canadian Space Agency, introducing kids from K to 12 in concepts like big data, AI, robotics, 3D modeling. But the reality is that entrepreneurship in STEM, more so in STEM, it's underrepresented by Indigenous and ethnic minorities. You say your company is diverse.
It is.
So what advice would you give those students, especially in the high schools area, that are interested in this field, going into this field? What advice would you give?
You really need to think about what is your passion. If you want to be in material science, you have to think about the companies, look at the different resources out there to, like in our company, let's say, I have Momini, who's from Ghana, I have Mehdi, who's from Bangladesh, and they're all recent grads, and they finished their graduation or their studies here and want to seek and stay here in this ecosystem.
That's great.
Personally, I'm from Yemen originally. I came here 21 years ago. And I understand that when you're underrepresented, you feel a bit isolated in a way. But however, everything is open. You should just seek and just go for things, and it will just happen.
Yeah. You've been in startup for about 2.5 years, you mentioned, and just recently you became part of the Emera ideaHUB. Tell me a little bit about how that happened and what it means to you.
Being in the Emera ideaHUB means a lot to me. It actually gave us the opportunity to incubate here and use different resources that the university could offer. It's kind of cool to actually understand and see what other people are working in. It just shows that the innovation space is just infinite, and there's so many things that we can innovate in as long as we have that courage to do so.